Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Oreo update reveals code names for the company's 2018 roadmap. There's a new limited edition Razer phone in town, but the differences aren't significant, and it seems that Apple beats Samsung in smartphone sales, at least briefly. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I couldn't wait for this Friday, up until I remember that I have to work tomorrow. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today have to do with deals if you're in the market for a new laptop. The Surface laptop is not necessarily the one I'd recommend most, not necessarily because it's a bad product, but because it's kind of expensive. Now, in the case of the M3 model, Intel Core M3, and I almost got stuck there, it's currently $799 and it's going to be on sale for a limited amount of time. You can learn more about it in the description. And how about if we talk about analytics and which company sold the most for 2017? Believe it or not, Apple was the king of Q4 2017 with 77 million units compared to 74 from Samsung. Now, for those of you that find that to be odd, it's actually not. It turns out, remember, the next Galaxies are a few weeks away, so usually iPhones sell more during this period of time. If you want to know the yearly numbers, 315 million versus 214, yeah, Samsung is definitely selling a lot more phones. Now let's talk about the Razer phone, as the company is launching a new variant for the Lunar New Year, and if you were expecting major differences, they're actually not. It's actually the same device pretty much, only that the Razer logo at the back is gold instead of green, the same price tag, and obviously it'll launch in certain markets. You can learn more about that, launch in the description. Our unit is actually on its way. I can't wait to tell you about what I think about that Razer phone. Now let's move the spotlight over to Samsung as we continue to get more information getting leaked about the device. In the case of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, there are already leaked cases, official cases from Samsung, that shows that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus actually don't change in design when it comes to size. Pretty much, if you currently have a Galaxy S8, it'll fit on those cases. The only reason why you can't use it is because obviously the camera holes are in different places, but they're pretty much the same size. And this is actually great. I love the size of the regular size S8, not so much about the S8 Plus. Which one was your favorite? And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with the future roadmap of Samsung Galaxy devices, courtesy of the leaked firmware of the Galaxy Note 8 Oreo update. So as it turns out, we've got the codenames, for example, of the S9, S9 Plus, which are Star and Star 2 respectively. We've also got a ton of codenames for a ton of Samsung Galaxy J's, a lot of Galaxy tablets, and seems that that's not going to die. Most interesting, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Active, which the codename is funny. It's called a Star Q LTE. And then, again, you can see the full list in the description. We still don't have information on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is weird. But anyways, it leads me to the question today. What are you planning to buy for 2018? Are you planning to buy one of these Galaxies in the roadmap? Or are you looking into another smartphone, and why? Let us know in the comments. In my case, obviously I have to review them all, so I'd be biased. Leave us a comment, we'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You're going to watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts and impressions of the Galaxy S9 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.